Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recreate these 5 simple yet effective nail designs. So let's get started. On this nail, we're going to have a play with some stamping. I've used C&D shellac in Pink Bikini. If your colour requires 2 layers, ensure you apply them now and cure between each layer. I'm using the Yours Loves Natalia Namaste plate and the Yours White Light stamping polish. Apply the polish to the design, scrape off the excess colour with your scraper card. Gently but quickly roll over with your Yours Halo stamper to pick up the design. Looking through your stamper, once you're happy with the placement, push down firmly and rock from side to side to ensure a full coverage. The polish is dry at this stage, so any flyaways can just be brushed off. Apply your top coat. I've chosen to use C&D shellac in matte top coat as I feel it gives a lovely effect to this design. Wipe off the inhibition layer to reveal the true beauty of the matte top coat. And there we are. Now let's do a glitter ombre. Again, you need to start with a base colour. I've used C&D shellac masquerade and cured between both layers. I'm using my Licente G1 brush and Rose Super Holographic glitter. Pick up the glitter and place your brush at the top of the nail, keeping the bulk of the glitter there, and fade it down. If you wish to apply more, apply it at the top again within the bulk and fade the rest down. I wanted to increase the fade, so I've taken a little bit more glitter, pressed it into the bulk and faded it down again. I'm applying C&D shellac original top coat. This is the best one to use when you're using glitter, as it keeps the shine and covers it beautifully to have a nice smooth finish. Now let's play with some dots. I've applied Licente Create in Bisou and cured. I have ready Phone Home and Great Scott. Dipping your dotting tool into Phone Home, apply 5 dots in the shape of a flower. Re-dip after each one to ensure a nice consistent size. Using the smaller end of my dotting tool, I'm just adding some details up the sides. I wanted to show you that you don't have to have dotting tools to create this design. Here I have a cocktail stick, and you can also use a hair grip or anything else you can think of that has a rounded end. Give that a quick cure to stop the dots from running. Now dip your dotting tool into Great Scott and add a lovely yellow centre to our flower. Now apply your top coat. Now let's do a full coverage glitter nail. Start with your base colour. I'm using C&D shellac in blue eyeshadow. If your colour requires 2 layers, apply and cure between both layers. So dip your brush into your pot of glitter and pat it onto the nail. I'm using my Licente G1 brush and Bluebonnet Super Holographic glitter. Repeat this process until you've covered the whole nail, and once you have, brush down and smooth out all those glitter pieces. Really make sure that free edge is glitter free, otherwise it will snag for your client and your top coat won't be able to wrap around properly. Lastly, apply a generous layer of top coat. Here I'm using C&D Shellac Original. Last but not least, I'd like to show you one of my favourite techniques, foils. So start with your base colour. I'm using C&D Shellac in Creekside. As per usual, if your colour requires 2 coats, make sure you cure them both. Taking a selection of foils, start to randomly press them onto the nail. If your gel polish has a sticky layer like shellac does, then they will peel away just like this. If it doesn't, I would recommend Lesente's foil gel. Colour-wise, I have used Blue, Blue Sunset and Cerulean, all from Lesente. Continue to randomly apply them until you're happy. Apply your top coat. My favourite to use is matte top coat, as I feel it adds a wonderful depth to the foils. Finally, remove the inhibition layer to reveal the true matte effect. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learnt something new. Let me know your favourite in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of new videos. In the meantime, take care and I'll see you soon.